Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a form inside System.io, and then you can embed the form in other websites. In order to do that, you will first go to funnels and then create a new funnel. Call it, let's say, form, choose your funnel domain, and then your funnel goal, choose custom. And then go ahead and choose your currency and then click on save. Inside your funnel, click on add step, and you are again going to name this. So I'm going to call it a form again. And then the type here is going to be inline form. So you click on it, and then you can either choose a template or you can start from scratch. I'm just going to go ahead and choose a template and edit from there. All right, so these are some of the templates. Let me just go ahead and select this one. You can preview the template to see how it looks. Okay, this one looks good, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick this one. Next, go ahead and edit your form. So you can go ahead and edit this form. You can change the picture here. You can change the background color, change the text. And once you're done, click on save and go back to your settings. And then go ahead and click here on the script. This will provide you with the entire script. So you can go ahead and copy and paste the script on another website, and the form will show up. So you're going to click on copy link. Now let's say I want to paste this form in one of my blog. So I already have a blog created inside System.io. If you want to learn how to create a blog, there's a separate video. You can go ahead and watch that first. I have my blog created, and these are the pages in my blog. I have the home page, the post page, the about page, and the contact page. Now, if you click here on the blog layout, this will show you how your blog looks like. And this is where you can do the edit. So technically, this is the first page of your blog. And let's say I want to add the form here somewhere below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down at the very bottom and click on raw HTML, then drag it and drop it to where you want the form to appear. So let's say I want the form to appear at the very bottom of this page, and then go ahead and click here on the raw HTML, and then click on edit code, and that's where you're going to paste the script, and then click save. Now, once you're done, click on save. If you preview it, you might not see the form on the preview page. So you can see I'm previewing it, but I don't see the form, but it is there. So best way to do is you go back to your editor and then exit the blog completely and click here on view blog. Now, if I scroll down the very bottom, there you go. There is my form. Now, if you're looking to embed your System.io form in another platform or another website, which is hosted in a different platform, you will have to look for an HTML element and then paste the script in that HTML element. All right, so I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about how you can leverage System.io funnels and make money from your funnels selling your offers, go ahead and check out my Success with System.io community. Inside, you are going to get access to my free course. You can also ask me any questions and get support from my team and the members inside. You will learn how to build, launch, and scale your funnels from end to end. You're going to get access to my high converting email copy templates and funnel templates as well. I do monthly workshops which are dedicated in helping you monetize your System.io funnels. Zoom Q&A calls every week where we can brainstorm ideas and build your funnel together. Success with System.io is currently $7 per month, but you get 7-day free trial, so you can join us and experience the community yourself. And if you like the community. If you are finding the community helpful, you can continue your journey with us for just $7 per month. Price is going to increase next month on October, so make sure you get locked in for $7 per month and ask your questions, and let's grow together. I hope to see you inside. Just click on the link below in the captions and in the comments, and head over to Success with System.io and drop your questions inside the community.